I'll get up like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, eat breakfast over at the dining hall, and then I'll go to class, and then up until probably noon most of the time. Then I've got a nice big break in the middle of the day. So after that, usually I just go to the library, study for a little while, and then get back to class. After that, usually just get back, start with some MCAT study. A lot of my classes usually have a lecture component and a laboratory component. So, you get that hands-on time as well as just the conceptual stuff in the lecture. Pre-med can have a pretty demanding schedule, but I can still fit in things like working out or having fun with friends, throwing a Frisbee around the quad or doing research on top of that. So it is still pretty flexible as long as you're able to work around your classes. If you're looking at the University of Rochester and you're kind of scared of a big class load, heavy coursework, then I would say that you're more capable than you think. I was able to adapt very quickly to a large schedule, and I think you'll be able to also.